Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and as you can tell from the title, we are about to do this phase. I'm about to do my engagement photos, makeup. I could have hired a makeup artist, but listen, our wedding's 3 months away, so I have to save every coin, okay? And plus, why not? I know how to do my own face. I'm gonna do it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. It's going to be a straight through tutorial. I'm not gonna be talking through it, so just enjoy the vibes and enjoy the behind the scenes vlog after this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to blame, honestly, yeah. Cause you can handle emotions, so you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No, you didn't even hug it out. No, I don't know nothing. Don't, cause it wasn't love. Now I know that you don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. He got me high above, like the sun by the moon. He's a star, baby, I'm lighting up like a fool. It's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind, and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, let me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, let me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love.
Girl, these pictures gonna be.
Woo, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can already see it, man.
It's crazy. You next?
I'm gonna forever laugh when y'all say that.
Oh, why?
No, I ain't ready for that. Girl, I am not ready for that.
I don't have to be ready.
Yes, you do. This is a lot. This is what your journey right here is showing me.
Girl, please.
This is a lot.
Girl, please. That is,
I
this
would
is
enjoy my little
nothing.
20s first, girl. I'm about to go off any road and get married at 35. This is a lot, girl.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, look at how much a little water, girl. Stop playing with me. I'm not in there, right?
Oh my God.
Like, oops.
Yeah, they already done for her. Can you go to my bathroom on the other sink area, the back of the sink? You look for those studs that we talked about. And you put those on, and then I need to get my body oil. My body oil is in my bathroom. It's on where all the skincare stuff is. It's in the front.
Okay, so
It's in a bottle.
The little puds in body oil?
Yeah, the studs in the body oil. You should say puds.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm like, wait, what's
Like
that?
shit.
I'm not gonna time this.
I'm done.
I just got this little area. It'll probably take me 5 minutes or less, literally.
I need my dress and my shoes.
Is that makeup? You gonna come this way or you want it over here?
I'll do it here.
You gonna bring it over?
My shoes should already be in here. My shoes are here. Just the dress.
I love it. You need it to be.
Oh, I do have a body glow.
Oh, you do have that?
I'm glad I said that keyword. Let's go. Alright, so these are.
Alright. Got the thigh. Don't get ashy. Alright. You got the puds?
The what?
Studs,
Rock studs?
Why do you keep
I
calling
don't
them?
know. Somebody keeps saying
Studs.
that.
Sorry.
You good.
That's why I get stuck sending stuff like this.
I'm like, what is a pud?
I don't know. I got oil. I'm gonna have to wash.
I'll put it in the first. Yeah.
I don't know where your hole is. I don't want to poke you.
My girl's working.
Girl, I'm trying to get them curls to stay right. Oh.
Girl, you good. I don't feel nothing.
You sure? I feel like I'm hurting you.
I don't.
You
I
trying to
would
put the
have trust me. I would have
earrings
said wait.
Yeah, I can't find my music back.
What am I missing?
Okay, hold this up.
You're not wearing a necklace, right? No.
No necklace.
Bracelet?
Mm.
No.
Watch right
I don't think I have any. No, it's not any.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
good.
I'm gonna put the dress on,
I gotta see what I was gonna say.
and I will take this off. I can't wear both. Can you go in my room? Oh, you holding the hair? No.
Okay, so where do you want me to go again?
Get my ebony wood perfume. Right here.
What color is it? I hope to.
It's white. It's right. It should be in the
White.
middle on the
Ebony.
second shelf. Ebony wood.
That sounds familiar.
Kyra talk about all the time.
Okay, that's why.
It's from Zara. It's
I
like
need to get
30
hallway with a sis. Trying to be on luxury life.
What is this so cute? Period. You just need to do sew-ins and everything else. So I have to keep
Girl,
people.
I need
my
heads
hand.
to practice on for
Hey, man.
sew-ins.
Hey, you got me and my bundle right here.
Period. When they come out though, you know, you're gonna be that tight.
Yeah, it's gonna be that flow. Spray the dress like
If we're
3 or 4
doing it
times.
that tight, I was gonna do it
Spray
more
like 3
leaner.
times.
Okay.
Oh, that sounds bougie.
That's why I
Zara,
said I
it's
need to
only
get that.
$30 too from Zara.
For real?
Yeah,
I'm gonna order that bed today.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one that she always talk about.
Salty boy.
Yeah.
She always talking about.
I can't. She always talk
She
about
always
it.
does. I'm gonna.
That's
get
a big
one.
bottle too. $30, $32.
Yeah, that's worth it.
How long does it last?
Get that.
It lasts all day. Even if I wash the clothes, I still smell it.
The curls will. Hold up.
Just so it doesn't mess up too bad.
Who's the hair? Suck it in.
There we go. That strap too. Make sure the strap on the other side in too.
And
Oh,
make
what?
sure it's not. I don't want to pop
Okay.
it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Alright, what's the heels? You put it in the car or you gonna put it in the car?
You have a white tooth comb? I'm gonna brush out the
Yeah, go in
just a
the
little bit.
second drawer on the left. Should be a yellow one. You got the pink pouch?
Yeah. Alright, give me that.
Okay, bye guys. This is the end of the video. I forgot about this camera. All right, see you guys on the vlog. Thank you for watching. Period.
Just gonna tease it out a little bit.
Oh, it's windy. Good, because I don't want to be hot. Should I put some of this on?
Yeah.
Bro, you can tell.
we got her one today. Bride.
Right here, you do it, paper.
What's up? On the car?
Get the AC started, yeah. Are we all riding together?
Yeah.
All right.
Might as well.
Where were we?
I'm gonna leave some tight because it's.
Yeah, leave them tight. I like them tight. They
Yeah,
so
I was
cute
gonna
tight.
say, I'm gonna tease
I need to
some,
buy a
but-
wand. I didn't know the power of a wand.
Yeah, girl. Yes, sir. And this was for Target. For
Okay,
$30.
you trying to make a bet?
What's up, Fiance?
Sorry.
I better start.
No, no,
Right
no.
after that wedding boy.
Oh.
Yes, sir. That's the only one that's getting me.
I forgot what she was saying.
Yeah, this was not getting. I got to
It's
get.
not. The cool guy.
I gotta do the straps.
Now it's getting.
Don't talk to her. What you gonna do?
The dress?
Get it, what's called wedding?
Oh, don't remind me. Let me bring some safety pins in case. You know, I'm kind of thick. In the
You got all your cameras,
Oh,
like
yes.
all that stuff in one place to pack up?
Give me the batteries right there for this one.
Which, that's the little batteries, right?
Yeah.
There's one in here.
Yeah, I have the other one in here and then there's the other one over there, the Canon one.
Oh.
Girl, stop playing.
Period. Alright guys, stay tuned for the vlog. That's it. Bye.